Hi, good morning. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Yay! Okay, today is, do you know? Friday. That's right, it's Friday. And yesterday was Thursday. And tomorrow is Saturday! Woohoo! Yippee! Okay, and what month are we in? Do you know? September, that's right. Super. Should we read the date together? Let's do it, okay? Let me get my marker. Today is Friday, September 25th, 2020. You guys are amazing. Yes, you are. Okay, now, what's next? I have a little question for you. How many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? 26, that's right. And they're divided into two groups. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. Yeah, we're learning them. And when we put them together, they make a blend. Super duper duper. Okay, now, how many vowels are in the alphabet? Do you know? 5. That's right. What are they? Should we say them together? Here we go. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Steady. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Should we do it one more time? Here we go, because it's new with the cards. Here we go. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. So these are the 5 vowels. You see them? In the alphabet. Ooh. Okay, all the rest are consonants. So the vowels have at least 2 sounds. Okay, how many sounds do the vowels have? 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. Super good. You guys are amazing. So we learned our new letter N yesterday. So let's start by reviewing some consonants. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. The name of this letter, the new one, is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound as in lamp. L says The name of this letter is B. It makes a sound as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says b. Super. So those are consonants. And let's review our vowels. Here we go. The name of this letter is A. It makes a short sound as in apple. A says ah. Did you say it with me? Good. The name of this letter is E. It makes a short sound as in elephant. E says Whoops, wrong way. The name of this letter is I. It makes a short sound as in inchworm. I says The name of this letter is O. It makes a short sound as in ostrich. O says ah. The name of this letter is U. It makes a short sound as in umbrella. U says ah. Okay, super duper. Now we're going to see our new blend. Are you ready? It's Nestor Nest. Say hi, Nestor Nest. There's Nestor Nest. Okay, let's sing them together. Na, na, ne, na, na. Na, na, ne, ne, na. And do you know that we can make words with blends? So let's look at the letter B. The letter B that makes it sound boo. And let's put it together with this blend right here. Can you see it? There we go. Like that. So this is na, b. Na, b. Nab. Ooh, nab is like to take away. And then we have the letter T that makes it sound t, t, t. Let's see. Can we make a word right here? Net, net, net. Super good. What about this one? Not, not, not. Not that one. And remember with our writing, or maybe you haven't done the writing yet, but you will see it. It's a nut, nut, nut. A nut, like a walnut or an acorn or a pistachio, is a nut. Did you see how we made words with our blends? You guys are learning how to read. You are amazing. Now I have something to tell you. Not all words start with a consonant. Some words start with a vowel. So look what I did. Look right here. I have the letter I that makes it sound I. I. And I'm going to write right here the letter N. You see it? So it says in. I'm in right. Outright, upright, downright, happy all the time. In. I'm in right, outright, upright, downright, happy all the time. You like that song? So this is the word in. It starts with a vowel. Look, we have a little sentence. It says, Sam is in the box. You want to read it? Sam is in the box. Notice that I put happy faces over the vowels. And this word is in a box because it's a sight word. It means it doesn't go with the rules. This word is the, okay? And we'll learn more about it. I just wanted to write that sentence there. You can practice it. Don't worry, we're going to learn it. You don't have to know it now. We're going to get there, okay? We're learning little by little. Super. Okay, now we're going to play a game. So this is called giant steps. Do you know how to take a giant step? A giant step is like with your leg. You take a big step, giant step. Here, let me take it. Giant step. Okay, now I want you to go to a wall that's close by, and you're going to take giant steps towards me, okay? Every time we say our blend. Here we go. Ta! Take a giant step. Ta! Take a giant step. What is it? Ta! Take a giant step. Ta! Take another giant step. Ta! Take another giant step. Did you do it? Did you get to me? Did you touch the screen? Super. Okay, go back to the wall. Go back to the wall. And so I hope what you're doing is when I say one, you're taking a giant step forward. Okay? Let's do another one. Here we go. Are you ready? La. Take a giant step forward. Ooh, la. 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 Take a giant step. La. Take another giant step. La. Take another giant step. Super. Now go back to the wall. Go back to the wall. We're going to do one more. Are you ready? Here we go. Na. Take a giant step. Na. Take another giant step. Na. Take another giant step. Na. Take another another giant step. Good, you won. You're amazing. You guys are great lookers and great readers. Since this is our reading phonics and letters and sounds class, we're going to go to letters and sounds page 18. Did you see it? 18. Okay, so here's our letters and sounds book. And we're going to go to page 18. Here we go. Number 1 says, circle the initial consonant you hear in each word. So these are all consonants, and the initials means the beginning, the first sound that you hear. Are you ready? Let's start with this one. Tomato. Repeat the word with me. Tomato. Tomato. Which letter starts the word with the word tomato? It begins with, I'll do the first one with you. We're going to circle the T for tomato. Okay, next one, banana. Banana. Which one is it? Banana. Which letter are you going to circle? You do it. Nurse. 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 Which consonant does it begin with? Remember we saw the nurse on the board yesterday? Okay, now number 2 says, circle the vowel you hear in each word. Okay, the vowels. Remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. Octopus. 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 Which vowel sound do you hear? Astronaut. Repeat the word with me. Astronaut. Astronaut. Which vowel do you hear? Circle it. And the last one is egg. 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 Which vowel do you hear? Circle it. And number 3 says, circle the blend that makes the beginning sound you hear. Color the picture. Okay, you repeat with me. Here we go. Log. 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 Which blend do you hear? Remember, a blend is when we put a consonant and a vowel together. Next one, here we go. Lamp. 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 Circle the beginning blend you hear. Next one. Letter. 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 Circle the beginning blend you hear. And the last one is lemon. 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 Circle the beginning blend you hear and color the pictures. You guys did awesome. That was such a fun class. I love learning with you. Have a great weekend. Enjoy, relax, and I'll see you next week. Bye.